Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to retrieve unique hardware identifiers, which is HWIDs. Can be useful for various applications such as software licensing, tracking hardware configurations, or system auditing. I will provide an example in Python that retrieves a unique hardware identifiers like the CPU ID, motherboard serial number, and hard drive serial number using the WMI module. First, you need to make sure you have the WMI library installed. You can install it using pip on a terminal. You can just type pip install WMI. I already have it on my system, so I'm just going to skip this step. First, we are going to import WMI. Then we are going to add our function. Get hardware IDs. WMI module allows interaction with the Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI, to retrieve system information. First, we are going to create a WMI object. Initialize the WMI object to query system information. And then retrieve CPU ID for CPU in C. Win32 processor. CPU ID, CPU processor ID, strip, print, CPU ID, CPU ID. Queries the Win32 processor class to retrieve information about the CPU, specifically the processor ID. Next, we are going to retrieve a motherboard serial number. For motherboard in C Win32 base board. Motherboard serial set to motherboard serial number strip then we print out a motherboard serial number. Queries the Win32 baseboard class to get the motherboard serial number. And now we are going to retrieve hard drive serial number. So this will be for disk in C Win 32 physical media if disk serial number disk serial disk serial number print hard drive serial number disk serial. It queries the Win32 physical media class for serial number of physical drives. And now we're just going to add the main function. This will be if name equals mean get hardware IDs. And now we can just run our script and check the output. This S is lowercase. And here's our output: CPU ID, motherboard serial number, hard drive serial number. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.